This video is about the easiest affiliate marketing business for beginners and how to get started. Stick with me till the end and you will learn how to make more money faster. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been a full-time affiliate marketer for years. If you do it right, affiliate marketing is the best way I know of to make money online and create both money freedom and time freedom too. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are not already a subscriber, please click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making more money in affiliate marketing, and I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So the particular affiliate business that I want to tell you about is ideal for beginner and experienced marketers alike. I build it myself. It is my #1 recommended income stream. This affiliate marketing opportunity only takes a few hours a week. It's ideal for busy people. We market 4 high-demand digital products that almost sell themselves. These 4 products range in price from $10 to $1,000, and our company pays out an industry-leading 80% commissions on each of them. 80%. That means you can make as much as $800 on a single sale. And better yet, they pay passive or recurring income on 3 of the 4 products too. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales that you make each day. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you do today. And we get paid fast too. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. No long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. Here's what makes it the easiest affiliate marketing business yet, even for beginners. It all starts with the best training in the home business industry. We have a unique affiliate quick start training to get you making money fast before you even set anything up. I've never seen anything like this before. You do not need to learn anything to start making money. Many new people make money their very first day, even with no previous experience. We have a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos covering everything from generating traffic and leads for free to making more sales. We hold daily live masterminds on Zoom where you can learn from hugely successful marketers. Plus, we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. On top of that, I will mentor you personally. You will never wonder about what to do next. Success in affiliate marketing is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. I will show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. To learn more about this easy affiliate marketing business and start making money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.